So boys and girls, we're going to make our chameleon picture. The first thing you need to do after you get your name on your paper is make sure your paper is horizontal. That means it is longer across than it is from top to bottom. Okay? Then we're going to draw an oval. After you have your oval drawn, the next step is to put a little dot about an inch away from the right side of your oval, and then one about a half an inch above. Next, we're going to connect our two dots and link them down in to our oval. The next step is following from the back of your oval. Draw a spiral line around and stop. Then you're going to go back in the other direction and loop around and connect it into the bottom of your oval. Next, feet. Each leg will just be two straight lines down. And remember, there are 4 legs on our chameleon. Then we're going to make 4 little loops for each foot, and those are his toes. Now we have the basic shape. We're going to erase this part of the oval, and then we can erase this part of the oval. And now we can draw his eye, which is going to be a circle. And then just make a little curved line so you can have the inside of his eye. And then a line to make his mouth. Now the next step is you need to decide where is your chameleon going to be. I'm going to make mine sitting on a leaf. And my leaf is going to be a fall leaf. Okay, so I'm going to actually make a couple of leaves to make it more interesting. And the thing that's really interesting about fall leaves is that they can change colors. Just like in the story, you can have leaves that are red and yellow and orange and all kinds of really pretty colors. So go ahead and have fun. Just remember, your paper has to be horizontal in order for this project to work.